Hello, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Okay. How are you guys? How's your morning? How's your morning, guys? Very good morning. That's amazing. That's amazing, guys. For some reason, I feel so sleepy today. I mean, like, I woke up 3 hours ago, but I still want to sleep. so, So interesting market yesterday, right? So I would say drop was amazing, but move up also was amazing. And I keep saying this, and yes, for some reason PM looks much more obvious than AM session. Even like looking at 1 hour chart, I know like PM looks way better still. Pre-market trading. Oh, that's nice. Sunny day, yeah, it's sunny today. Just feels like I didn't sleep at all. On gold, look what happened this night. Exactly what we discussed yesterday. Broke above consolidation high. We want to see 15-minute inversion. 15-minute inversion short to daily fair value gap. Honestly, gold was amazing. Absolutely classic time distortion with break above distortion high with 15-minute inversion. Short. What could be better? I don't know, like nothing. Textbook. Just took so much time to deliver there, right? So on CL, I have plan on CL. No, don't go without me. So my plan was, so basically I was watching daily chart. We got sweep on both sides, but this sweep is like not confirmed yet, right? Give me 1 second. This sweep not confirmed yet. At this point, I just would like to see price retracing higher to 50% of this daily week. Then I switch on forward chart. We got inside sweep on forward chart, which also 2 a.m. And on 1 hour chart, I anticipated and still anticipate. If on CL we can get sweep, at least right here, maybe slightly lower, we have hourly fair value gap with breaker right here. And if it's going to be sweep on hourly, I will try to long. Once again to 50% of daily week or 50% of this order block on 1 hour chart. So it's going to be something like this, like for 80 cents, 90 cents, totally depends on if we get sweep. That's what I see so far on CL. Just not sure if we're going to get this. Maybe it's just going to go all the way up right at the open. Not perfect, but still acceptable. Just too long, I would say not enough information for me yet on lower time frame or medium time frame. Let me move right here. SPX, I don't need to check this. Okay, NQ, so price trying to reach previous week high level, and yesterday absolutely amazing reaction from daily open and equilibrium of previous week range on NQ. Honestly, brilliant reaction. And yes, so far it's still trying to reach previous week high level. And if you go on 3 months chart, right here, I'm going to hide drawings right now. So we're about to see immediate rebalance. So right here, we want to see high of this candle, at least touching the low of this candle right here, maybe even slightly higher. But from what I anticipate to get is possible quarterly immediate rebalance. And as you can see, just for now, I'm sorry, guys. Just for now, it's still trying to go there. It's at 320 level. So my key level is going to be, let me put this in the chat, right here, above previous week high level. And I cannot talk about this level on ES yet because we need to pump like a lot. So I will probably use projections, maybe SMT. But what I watch on NQ is a possible quarterly immediate rebalance. I cannot say this is going to happen today, but in the near future. For today, so far we have SMT on both sides. London low failed to be taken on NQ, but still it feels like we're still inside market maker sell model, and probably it's trying to offer second stage right now. So we will see. It's going to be interesting because if it's going to be second stage, we should drop lower. We have hourly fair value gap, and we have equilibrium of previous range lower, which may complete market maker sell model. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. What do you think about this? Because if this SMC is going to hold, probably we'll just bump to this level right here. But for now, I cannot find any signs of reversal yet. Just trying to build my plan, I would say. What do you think about this? What is your plan? Short, long? I see 64% bullish today. Yeah, probably. So, totally possible to, if it's going to invalidate the second stage right here of market maker sell model, we just go right here with 15-minute order block. Boom, like this. I see additional consolidation at Asia low. Exactly. Me too. And just for now, I cannot say like I see smart money reversal to upside if I want to consider lower time frame market maker buy model. But feels like just for now. Yes, flat candle, exactly. It's second stage of redistribution just for now. At least nothing invalidates this. Only SMT probably. But this SMT not confirmed by order block or something like this. Yes, exactly. Hourly unicorn. Exactly. Exactly. So the question is if we continue going lower to break below London low, which will offer second stage of redistribution, or we can get smart money reversal confirmed by order block and SMT, because so far we have only SMT on medium time frame. So just looking what we can see today, just for now, nothing invalidates market maker sell model on 15-minute chart. Just for now. What will invalidate? Break above this level right here. That's it. Data high, data low. You mean from yesterday? Pretty much sure. Previous day low level was data low, right? Tell me what kind of data low, because I believe, give me 1 second, I'm going to check news real quick. We had 8 AM news, okay. Okay. I see. Okay, give me 1 second, I'm going to highlight this. Good morning. We'll delete this and yeah, let's see if we drop to at least equilibrium of previous range. So far we have SMT, but this SMT not confirmed yet. Smart money reversal not confirmed yet. We only have SMT, that's it. You cannot only use SMT to say like, okay, it's reversal, right? It's interesting to say it says like Trump speaks at 10 a.m. I see this, but it highlighted like medium impact news, like orange folder news, right? You're just in short right now. I mean, okay. It's a light. Exactly. They have color like better than red color to describe how high impact news it is. Oh, you're not short? Okay. Yeah, it's Trump, so hard to say why people decided to set this as a medium impact. I mean, I don't really care on what time frame SMT was offered. All I need to have is order block. If on 15-minute chart we can create order block, I mean, that's long. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah. Good morning, good morning. Also, we would like to pull projections from this swing low to this swing high right here. It's going to be manipulation, which coincidentally lines up with hourly fair value gap and flat candle. And since we got SMT right here, we'll use this like right here. First indication right below London low. 90. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Okay, market is open. Let's see what we can do right now. Just open, so nothing significant happened yet. We got inversion right here. The question is if it may continue this market maker sell model, because seems like we're inside second stage, or is going to be invalidated by formation of 50-minute order block. That's the question. Let me highlight this fair value gap. So we got same fair value gap right here. Yeah, price trying to invert this. Cannot say like it's A plus inversion right here because not really. Pretty much choppy. Hello guys, hello. Additional consolidation. Actually, we were talking about this consolidation right here. Which makes me feel like we're inside market maker sell model right now. Hello, hello. The question is when we break below London low to deliver us lower to hourly fair value gap. I hope so. You place your magnets on Asia low. Yeah, I mean, above Asia low, we have equilibrium of previous range. Not a big deal, like 13 points difference. But yeah. Still struggling to take London low right here. Stop. What do you mean? You were trying to long? Why? What conditions to long right now? Tell us. Okay, London low taken, data low taken. That's amazing. Not, I would say, not really enough to complete this market maker sell model. Honestly, I would rather go. Oops, I'm sorry, guys. I would rather to go lower to hourly fair value gap right here. Okay, okay. I got it. Keep dropping. So, if my drop another like 60, 70 points, like somewhere right here. If not like that low, at least to this flat candle, which is 4-hour chart and 1-hour chart. Flat candles, like high time frame flat candle, usually good magnets for price. I notice this, so let's see if it might be true today. Also, where's daily open? 9:38. Oh yeah, daily open lines up with equilibrium of previous range. Sounds interesting. He is a bit struggling right now. Need to be in my water bottle. Give me 1 second. So, he is still struggling. Doesn't want to make new low. So trying to hold this data low so far. Yeah, I always, for some magical reason, I always forget this. Like every single morning. I don't know why. Okay, I'm going to switch right now on 1 minute chart. So pretty much balanced leg right here. What about 30-minute chart? Do we have any 30-minute liquidity sweeps? Yeah, actually we do have this. We got sweep right here. And seems like price failed to retrace to a 3-minute order block right here. In other words, never retrace. So with this pink color, I highlighted 3-minute order block based on this 30-minute liquidity sweep. And we just got new one right here. Like, not really propulsion block, just order block, I would say. And we do have this order block on ES as well, but my concern right now doesn't really want to break below data low yet. Yes, around daily open, we have projection, we have equilibrium of previous range, we have original consolidation, we have Asia low right there. So I don't really mind to see going there, honestly. And remember what I said like a couple of months back? So when we have big range day or trend day, next day usually retrace to equilibrium of previous day range. And so far, equilibrium of previous day range remains lower on both ES and Q. And coincidentally lines up with, once again, Asia low and original consolidation where market maker buy model started. The question is, yeah, I know Trump talking about at 10 a.m. I know. By the way, I need to schedule my workout in 8 minutes. What's day today? Today is my 8. Okay. Okay. Booking not available. Available start. A booking starts at 9:45. Okay, waiting. Still struggling with this data low right here on ES. So far, we have 3-minute order block right here. Also not mitigated. We have order block right here and also not mitigated. Cannot call this like propulsion block because we did not trade into this range. Like another order block. Data low taken on ES finally. We got first presented fair value gap and seems like one tick. Nope, we did not trade into this fair value gap yet. Sometimes it's hard to see, you know. And oh, it's not first presented. Never mind. It was 3-minute chart. Never mind. Why I felt it was like 1-minute chart. Okay. A bit tricky 1 minute chart right here. Look at these candles. Look, lots of gaps right there. We don't have first presented yet, so unfortunately cannot really look for the trade yet because leg right here pretty much balanced. We got lots of immediate rebalances right here, so nothing to rebalance yet. Yeah, if we get like first presented fair value gap, and if price may drop of this first presented fair value, that's going to be amazing. In reality, I don't know what we can get. Let's see. Anyway, let's see. We got 3-minute fair value gap right here, so why not do you trade there? On 5-minute chart, we don't have fair value gap yet. Okay. Okay, we got first presented fair value gap on both ES and NQ finally. Now let's see what will happen if we trace. MNQ, let me check on my needed trader. Oh, you're right, by the way. That's interesting. Small one and price already traded into this fair value gap right here. Yeah. MNQ has one, NQ doesn't have one. Oh, that's ugly. I always hate this. Anyway, right now NQ inside first presented fair value gap on NQ. Yes, as well. So we did not invert this yet. So nothing significant happened yet. Yeah, that's interesting. By the way, happens a lot. It's not like first time. Oh, don't pay attention. So Streamlabs, for some magical reason, when you put dot in the middle of word, consider this as a link. I know, stupid, but it is what it is. Okay, going to connect accounts while we are waiting. Interesting, but tap right here, as you can see, right? It's just like flat tap. Oh, it's 9:45. It's not 9:45. Okay, going to schedule my What? Are you serious? In my gym, we have like classes, and for example, I want to go to class tomorrow. I need to schedule like today, and they just opened registration like 10 seconds ago, and they had like 30 spots, and I just like put like schedule already. What? No spots already, no seats. I love it. Data high, data low, basically news high, news low. Oh, it's not college, it's gym. It's a gym next to my house. They have classes. So I decided to attend these classes. And of course, no spots for tomorrow. Okay. I'm going to be in wait list. Even set alarm to be first. Okay, we got a flat candle right here as well. Basically flat top. Trans peaks at 10, yes. It's not actually effect analysis. It's just like when news came out, it formed high and low. And you will give me classes, okay. It formed high and low at 8 a.m. So this news candle basically can be like liquidity candle, right? A bit choppy right now. Will not be surprised once again. 3 weeks in a row, every single morning is seek and destroy. nothing surprised me anymore. Oh yeah, I remember when I was in university, I also was trying to pick a teacher for my class, and it's when like I said a lot. Remember like we got I want to be perfect teacher because of reviews, and of course everyone said alarm as well. It's a candle, usually 15-minute candle that forms like a high and low during the news. Yeah, I can say it like it's like liquidity, important candle, lots of volatility inside this candle. So yeah, basically, but to say, but like liquidity candle. So at 10, it's going to be interesting. I will not be surprised like to see a zero reaction. Maybe be choppy. I didn't look a lot at charts, so I prefer to be done at 11, come back at 2, and sit for another 1 hour. Like, not that much. For buyers, I don't really mind to see lower first, but I have no idea what will happen at 10, honestly. Oh, I also was computer science student. It was my major. Good morning, everyone. Oh, not for master's degree, no. It was North Carolina State University. I cannot say it was bad experience. It was good experience, especially for my English. Um, that's interesting question about how much did it cost because actually I paid nothing because of grants. So my GPA was pretty much high, more than 4. So I didn't pay for classes, if not mistaken. No, I did not pay for anything. I mean, I bought some books, some access, but not for classes. Mm-hmm. Okay, so far, slowly just going to the slow right here, flat candle at 068. I would like to see honestly break below this early fair value gap to go right here to equilibrium of previous range. I don't really see important SMTs yet, but still reaction from first presented fair value gap. My question is if it's going to retrace from this area right here, right? Or simply break below this level. So we trained into this hourly fair value gap, and we took this 4 hour, 1 hour flat candle. I guess every single time frame, but important to see if it was on high time frame, right? So computer science, yeah, never worked in this profession, like in this industry, honestly. Never ever, never ever. Funny, right? But that's true. So after like university, I started trading 9 to 5. No, never. I mean, I was basketball teacher coach for little kids. That's it. Then university students then like was trying to sell some on stuff on Amazon. That's it. Okay, it's not that hard to hold your trade to Asia low if you want, if you're going to just um, trail your stop loss. So for trying to respect level right here, we trade into this fair value gap on 1 minute chart. You must have some investment. I have husband. He was my investment. Very good choice. Right. Well, created equal highs right there. So trade in this fair value gap. ES still has room to go lower, in my opinion. Left this flat candle. You said you have husband. What was that? Yes. I mean, that's why I did not work for like I did not work because I have husband. So after university, so I could I could afford not go to work. So we're trying to respect fair value gap on 1 minute chart. We got shift in structure right here. My concern right now, yes, still has room to go lower. Maybe it wants to retrace first and Trump at 10. And interesting what will happen at 10, because it's silver bullet, but also Trump speaks. It's going to be like continuation of previous candle range, hourly candle range. Or it's going to be first retracement back to premium. That's question because it left some equal highs higher. Still trying to respect this hourly fair value gap. Not 16, come on. Why do you think like I'm 16 all the time? I don't know. I mean, I'm happy I look like 16, but I'm not 16. My son is almost 6. How is that possible? Okay, we're still trying to respect 1 minute fair value gap right here. My concern right now is new hourly candle. What will happen right here? Retracement or immediate continuation? Okay, less than 5 minutes left. Still trading inside this 1 minute fair value gap. Once again, it left some room to go lower, but it also have equal highs higher. Oh, my tortoise is around the corner, guys. Going to delete this data low so far. I don't need this anymore. I heard lots of good reviews about top one futures. No, not yet. I did not get any accounts with them yet. I will try, but not yet. I need to read about them, but lots of good reviews so far, so. I'm blind with my left eye. I cannot see at all with my left eye, so I need to wear glasses, unfortunately. I will read about them. So I heard lots of good reviews about um, top one futures. Good morning, guys. Good morning. So yes, retrace back to first presented fair value gap. Solid reaction from flat candle right here, and yeah, blind. Imagine being blind with left eye from viewers. Yeah, my left eye as well. So blind completely. Cannot see anything with this. So flat candle taken right here. Just left some room to go lower, and yes. Okay. We inverted fair value gap right here. That's interesting. Now the question, it's not 10 still, right? So 2 minutes left. The question if it's retracement to continue going lower. I was born with this, unfortunately. So OT retracement. I can't drive. It always was my problem to renew my driver license. But last time when we changed address, so like 1 year ago, I was like I went to DMV and I said like I cannot see with my left eye, so and for vision test I need to like look for left eye, for right eyes, and both eyes. And she said like it's okay. You need to see like one working eye, and she said like um only what you need to have is like mirrors on your car. I was like, are you serious? I mean, there are cars without mirrors. Okay, 10 a.m. guys. Trump is going to speak. We got small wick right here. Price it trace to this 1 minute fair value gap. Let's see if we respect this fair value gap right here. I'm going to do this one for now because we got pretty much BPR right here, right? Or we're going to inverse this. That's interesting because so far hard to say where we got manipulation, right? I cannot say like right here I see this framework for distribution to upside yet. Not really, right? Same candle right here. So let me actually remove 30-minute candle from here and just going to diff 1 hour. So right now I'm just trying to think in terms of open, high, low, close, right? And if I want to think about, you will try? Yeah, I will try. I will give a chance. I will give them a try to trade top 1 futures. You'll get 1 account just to try. Okay, come back to this price action. Once again, I'm looking right now at this hourly candle in terms of open, high, low, close, and I'm looking for possible framework for distribution. And as I mentioned before, so if I want to look for long, I would like to look for long below 10 a.m. open. Or if I would like to look for short, I would like to look for short above 10 a.m. open. And right now, in order to use this idea, for example, if I anticipate for some magical reason to get hourly candle as bullish, I need to get order block or fair value gap. But obviously not on 1 minute chart. I'm going to use 2-minute chart or 5-minute chart. As you can see, I cannot say for sure we got framework for distribution yet. It's not. But pretty much so far, we're trying to trace back to equal highs right here. So idea, actually, I will post, I already have video about how to trade this. But idea is to see framework for distribution below daily, not daily, hourly open, or above daily, hourly open. So how to recognize if it's structure, market structure shift or it's fake? Totally depends if we took high time frame level or not. For example, right now on Q, yes, we took level on high time frame, but a bit concerned right now on ES because ES left some room to go lower, right? So what happened on ES? I don't really see something significant happened, right? Yeah, in my opinion, it just still has room to go lower on ES, but in Q trying to respect high time frame level. That's why I would like to be more careful right now and waiting for confirmation. For example, for confirmation, I can use framework for distribution based on this week right here. Nothing yet. Why cannot see anything for? That's strange. Okay. SPX so choppy right now. Nothing significant happened. Trade into RTH gap so far. Yep, leg was above. Almost tested 50%, so trying to respect 25% so far. No, I'm not going to, guys, I'm not going to be on 15-second chart. I'm so sorry. Right now, it's not what I want to use. So trying to dispect first presented fair value gap so far. We don't really have SMT. But also I cannot say, once again, I can see framework for distribution right here to upside yet. So I cannot be like 100% bullish. I will lie if I want to be bullish just right now. Not enough information. I still believe we have room to go lower. I definitely can be wrong, just from what I see, we have room to go lower. So here's the name open, below the name open. So below the name open, we will be like 150 points away from equilibrium of previous range. So for this, below, why I would like to look for below the name open, order block is going to be formed right here. Right here. That's why. We'll form order block, and at this point, it's going to be right below the name open. Just need to wait for order block first. Nothing started yet with Trump? Okay. That was a scary message. Can someone send me link so I will check? I will start checking Trump's speech. Do we have this on YouTube? Thank you. Thank you. Nothing started yet, exactly. Okay, going to keep my eyes. It's not started yet, so. Folks, yeah, I got it. I'm going to keep my eyes right now. So, for example, right now we traded into our 1 hour fair value gap. Exactly. We also took flat candle right now. Yes, exactly. So right now, just if I want to look on NQ, yes, we entered first potential retracement level. Absolutely agree with you. But in order to confirm potential smart money reversal, because ES, for example, has room to go lower, in my opinion, I need to see something not on 1 minute chart. If we want to get shift in structure, let's switch on medium time frame. Why? Because normally when we have like high time frame lower on ES, but NQ took this level, or ES took level and Q has room to go lower, never ever trust 1 minute chart. Just trust me. Never ever trust 1 minute chart. Oh, ES already traded in hourly fair value gap. That's amazing. My last level for today on ES and NQ is going to be equilibrium of previous range, which is right here. Right here and right here. Right now we're about to get order block right here, and we're still waiting for the framework for distribution, right? By the way, we got 2-minute order block, right? That's even better. What about, 5-minute chart? Nothing 5-minute chart yet, but at least we have 2-minute order block already. Yeah, some people like 2-3-minute chart, but I'm not going to lie. Most my mistakes, even like nowadays, happens when I trying to find something on 5-minute chart when ES or NQ still has room to go lower. Almost every single time, it's stop for me. It's a loss. So I just, from my personal experience, just stop using 1-minute chart to look for reversal if ES or NQ still has room to go lower. They're below 10 a.m. open right now. We got order blocks. The question, I just so scared right now because of Trump. The question if they may stay below 10 a.m. open. Or it's going to be respect this hourly fair value gap, and at this point it's going to be invalidation. But right now, kind of more interesting continuation lower. Once again, at least nothing invalidates this yet. And we'll look for potential move to equilibrium of previous range. Yeah, for example, when we look for continuation of the trend, 1 minute chart is okay to use because we still trade based on high time frame levels. But when we look for reversal, I'm not saying like inversion fair value gap is not going to work on 1 minute chart, but it's always risky, in my opinion, especially if we still have room to go lower. He might say the ifs was just a joke and we're going to just go to the moon. Probably. Yeah, I remember that day. Exactly. With that long. But long, like, was perfect. Just idea was amazing. When Friday, remember day when Friday low was taken on Q, ES failed. I was thinking like we need to go lower on ES because ES needs to take Friday low as well. And it offered like SMT with textbook long, and I decided to stay away. So that was a day when I don't want to trust when I chat for reversals. And it played out last time. It was Monday or Tuesday. As you can see, still trying to stay below 10 a.m. open. We're still inside our fair value gap right here, but I believe we have room to go lower. Once again, equilibrium of previous range close to Asia low, and Asia low is a regional consolidation. If he is going to take this level first, so obviously that will be enough. Like 12 points away so far. How many Nivico? I don't actually use Nivico opening gap and Nido opening gaps. I'm not saying it's not that it doesn't work because it works. Just personally, I don't use this. I don't want to have lots of different levels on my chart, but I'm pretty sure many times next to Nivico opening gap we have any other levels that we can reverse from, right? So I don't use this, but I'm not saying it's not, you don't need to use this as well. It still works. Okay, let's check where is ES right now. We took first standard deviation already. Okay, we entered another hourly fair value gap. I'm just going to move this. What else happened on ES? Not going to use this weeks, big weeks. Breaker block right here. What else do we have? Another hourly fair value gap on NQ. And we have breaker block right here. I would say breaker block still remains lower on NQ. So right here we traded into this. Oh my god, what's wrong with my fingers today? So it may actually offer the action first. But yes, solid market maker sell model. I'm going to delete some levels. Lots of drawings on my chart. But once again, if you anticipate, once again, for 1 minute chart, it's still okay to use when you anticipate to get continuation, but not for a reversal. Oh, let me find the link, guys. So I'm going to send the link. So I have perfect PDF. Google Drive. Hope it's going to help you. Yes, I'm going to send you right now. Share. Everyone with link. Okay, guys, here's the link. Click this link. So it's PDF. It's like 9 pages, I believe. PDF. Let me know if it works. Should work. I just checked. Trump. Seems like Trump did not start, right? Let me see. Nope. It says waiting for. Okay. Seems like. Oh, it does? Okay. I found it. See. Yeah, you're welcome, guys. So I hope it's going to help you. I see lots of. Okay, what level you would like to aim for on gold? If you would like to short this, just tell me. It works, okay. CL also looks nice. You mean like you're looking for like short-term targets? Okay, then yes, okay, agree with you. So I would like to see the tracement back to order block right here, which is like 45, 46, on gold if it wants to retrace. I'm not looking for big reversal yet. So basically, if we are going to respect 15-minute order block, we will go to opposite order block, which is going to be right here. Like 46. If you're looking for short, I mean, of this 15-minute order block, you said like you're going to aim for 5-minute fair value gap. Yeah, that should work. I'm looking for a possible, like gain from order block to order block. Maybe slightly higher, which is like 50. Yeah, maybe 10 points drop makes sense on gold. I closed short on gold on this daily fair value gap. I had actually limit order right there, so I woke up, order was filled. So that's futures. I can actually check for you on Forex. I'm going to use this one. The price is going to be like 33.42. Let's say 33.43. So probably something like this. On something like this. Make sense? Hope it helps. Just if you're going to respect 15-minute order block, You can switch on 1 minute chart to find market maker sell model. Just sometimes trade of 15-minute levels has bigger stop loss. But if you're going to switch on 1 minute chart, you can find something more easier to trade with smaller stop loss. So we chased the 5-minute order block so far. No, just water. It's just water. But we have guy right there who every single morning says it's beer. Every single morning. So I'm not going to argue with him. Okay, we got full projection, like 1 standard deviation right here. And sometimes we are very worse from this level. It's not kids content anymore. Yeah. You want to look for gold higher first before moving to the 15-minute order block? Yeah, totally possible. I would say depends on if we get 1 minute market maker sell model. Yeah, totally possible. So I just don't want to short immediately off order block right here if you don't have any signs of 1 minute. Actually, let's see. It doesn't really look bad for 1 minute market maker sell model. Seems like we're inside second stage. Nope. Am I wrong? Because in my opinion, seems like second stage of redistribution right here. And target right here, which is 15-minute order block right inside original consolidation. See this? So I don't really mind to see. I'm like more bearish, not sure. So we will see right now. I still like 3346 level. Just I know, like seems like second stage of redistribution right now, right here. Okay, we will see. So if Medi chases this for a while, gap and hold should drop at this point. Thank you. Oh, and Q actually solid reaction from unicorn. Why deleted? Want to delete this one. Solid reaction from unicorn on 1 hour chart. Created hard to find order block honestly. Right now on ES, but we do have this on NQ. That's it. So right now we chase to inversion right here. I'm going to do this flat candle. I don't need this anymore. Also, we trace to alt inversion right here in order block, which is also 50% of this 1 minute order block right here. Still inside hourly for a value gap. High time frame. Basically, I use 1 hour chart and 4 hour chart. I don't really use daily normally. I know my concern right now, equilibrium of previous range. I kind of would like to see lower. Let's see. They left us equal highs, but honestly, I feel like we have room to go lower. Yes, on monthly, we trying to expect monthly bearish fair value gap. Oh, we got SMT right here at lows. We have equal highs higher. I'm going to extend them because probably they will take this first before I'm moving. If they want to drop, I'm not sure honestly, but equal highs good target. Short term low, we don't have this yet, in my opinion. I mean, not perfect example, honestly, for this move right here. Interesting to see like 61% was bullish and it dropped. Oh, sure, Tiham. You talking about this one right now? Not perfect example, I would say. I'll click you. It's not kids content anymore. Slowly going to this. Okay, slowly going right now to this equal highs on the ES. We got minor SMT right now. It's minor SMT, not significant yet. Because ES close to equal highs right there. But still SMT, let's see how we can play with this. 18 plus sign. Well, maybe you're right. Indices in the action right from one standard deviation. Equilibrium of previous range, 938.50. What about you? I included midnight high today. Power of battle. It's not beer, guys. Come on, read this. Where you can read this? It's just water. Be serious, guys. That's okay. 866. No, my equilibrium of previous day range 19,938.50. Fun fact, but we never ever tried vodka in for my whole life. Never ever. I have no idea how it smells, how it tastes. Like, I have no idea, honestly. Yeah, imagine. Never ever in my life. Crazy, right? I'm doing something wrong with my life. You got alive. Come on, are you serious? So you're slowly going to equal highs right there. Include trace to this order block right here, and we got not perfect example of breaker block, but also we got exactly the same example of not perfect breaker block yesterday. Remember this? How price consolidated, then just pumped. Equal highs taken on a yes, so it still has room to go to equal highs on in Q. It, I cannot say like it was A plus 22 model right here, 2022 model right here, but it was something similar, you know. So we got fair value gap right here, right here. What happened? Where's market open? I don't know. It's too much to ask for order block right here because it's too much to ask for now, but I'm looking for equal highs because so far we have SMT. So I'm not sure about move to 3-minute order block, honestly. Let's see. I'm not on this trade, so just trying to see what I can do with this information right now, current information. Because we have SMT right now, bigger SMT. Kind of stuck at 10 open so far. Once again, we have bigger SMT right now. Price close inside this 1 minute for a value gap. We chased the 1 minute order block. Guys, I just would like to share. Like recently, we have kind of not easy conditions in market, and I highly recommend to try to reduce your size. If you see setup that for you A plus setup, take it. If you just think like maybe I should try this, don't never chase, especially when market is not easy. Like not going to like for now, it's not super easy, right? Like this market. Try to stay away from taking trades at low probability for you. No one is going to laugh at you if you're going to trade like 3 micros, 5 micros. Just trust me, even 1 micro. What's the reason behind this? Retail stuff like trendline breaks. By the way, you're right about this. I also noticed this, by the way. Let's see, we got 2 minute order block right now, bearish order block. Inside OT, anyway. Where is daily open? 938. Right next to equilibrium of previous range. So the trace to this breaker block on 2-minute chart. We got retracement. We got reaction from first presented fair value gap. We got SMT right now, order block on 2-minute chart. Seems like breaker block with fair value gap right here. And daily open still next to equilibrium of previous range. I know, like, I don't know why I feel like more bearish right now than bullish. I'm not going to lie. SPX also created 2-minute order block. Candle to you mean sweep or continuation? Yeah, I see this on hourly right now. Basically, yes, also trying to respect the unicorn in 1 hour chart. I'm just thinking in terms of, possible open, high, low, close, and daily candle. See this? Let me actually show you. So we got daily open right here. I cannot say we got perfect manipulation right here, but if it wants to be like manipulation, we already should expand. It doesn't want to expand. This is why I feel like, I don't know, like feels like more bearish in my opinion to go back to daily open right here. I can be wrong, just I see like this idea in terms of open, high, low, close, Just consider daily candle. It feels like if it wants to be like expansion, it's already should expand, but it doesn't want to expand yet. This is why I'm like thinking in terms of like it's manipulation. Right now we want to distribute lower to take Asia low, daily open. This is what makes sense to me, guys. I can be wrong, honestly. I just cannot see a reason not to drop, honestly. Guys, your idea about this, it's not second, it feels bearish. I'm not going to lie. I'm just not entirely sure why we're consolidating. Because once again, I just want to think in terms of open, high, low, close, and daily. It doesn't really have manipulation down to expand. So we will see. I thought I can see, especially on 1 hour only, yes, we're trying to respect unicorn right now, right? Yes, we're trying to respect this. Also, it's OT. It doesn't look like that bad, but The question if it wants to be retracement to continue going lower, or we really want to reverse right now to upside because we're trying to respect hourly fair value gap. This is why it's a bit tricky in my opinion. Hourly, I know, like, I just want to say I'm not traded too long because of daily candle. And in terms of money, like once again, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, I don't feel like we got manipulation lower on daily yet. Because if it wanted to be manipulation, we already expand, but we never expand. And it's already like 11, almost 11. This is why I feel like strange right now a bit about this. What do you think? If you want to long, what idea you want to use? Hourly fair value gap? What else? No, I'm not saying like we cannot go higher. I'm just trying to understand what idea we can use. Like, would like to see like opinion, people's opinion as well. Not too long. I'm not saying like we cannot go higher because totally possible. Liquidity void. It looks absolutely ugly on 1 minute chart, I know, but just feels like not enough information too long. It's me. Maybe, maybe that's because my brain only can work with better setups. Totally possible. But even if my brain can work only with better setups, I cannot I understand the idea of long on daily yet. I can be front once again, just my opinion about this. Let's see. Yeah, sometimes I would say sometimes it's okay to use logic, probably because logic helps me a lot in my trading. And from what I see, it doesn't. It did not provide bullish setup yet. Unless I'm wrong, I cannot see something because guys, I'm blind with my left eye. But overall, strange. Oh, in terms of open, high, low, close, and daily, just open daily candle and look just at current daily candle. What do you see there? Like detailed analysis of daily candle. What is candle trying to tell you? What can you see there? Can you see something there? Or let's actually discuss together. Maybe we will find answer. So here's current. Actually, let me open MNQ. We see this is current daily candle, right? in order to see this better, I'm going to just show you one candle right there and hide this one. Okay, what this information trying to tell you? Like you see we got open right here, highlighted with this line right here. What else? Guys, let's turn on logic just right now. I'm not saying we cannot go higher. I'm just trying to understand something right now. We got open right here. What happened right here? Below open. How we can call this like below open? Who knows? Like, yeah, below open, we anticipate to get manipulation. Exactly. But the question is, if you want to look for long below daily open, like right now, for example, let me hide this. It's daily candle, it's hourly. Where would you long? Because if you want to look for long, you would, this is your framework for distribution right here. That's why I'm just trying to logically think about this move. Here's a framework for distribution on 1 hour chart based on daily. Even if I want to open 15-minute chart, picture exactly the same. So the question is, if I want to look for long, I'm just talking with myself probably as well. Where I would like, what level I would like to use for this? Doesn't seem like we have a lot on 1 hour chart. I cannot see like enough information yet. That's why I'm thinking in terms of if it wants to manipulate higher to drop back to daily open and close somewhere right there near daily open. I'm thinking about this. So basically, I'm just looking right now what happened right here. So framework for distribution not perfect yet. Yeah, I'm just not going to place any trade, just going to talk about potential idea of formation of daily candle right there. So basically, yes, we got a framework for distribution right here. We got rejection block, and yes, on 15-minute chart, we did trace down to this rejection block. That's it. Honestly, I cannot call this like perfect framework for distribution. And right after this, like higher. What time it was? Not perfect on 15-minute chart. Where is our 15-minute chart? Let me close this. But on 1 hour chart, it offered perfect idea of order block right here. And right now, it's extremely tricky because we got small wick right here below open with not obvious framework for distribution and order block right here. So the question is if it wants to retrace to order block to go lower, or it's going to just retrace lower first to pump us later again, right? That's the question. That's why it's a bit tricky for me right now to long, but I'm not saying long will not work. I just cannot find idea to long yet. Using this daily candle. Once again, I can be wrong. I just cannot find the logic. You can make exactly the same analysis with weekly candle. Just use time frame alignment. I'm just trying to say long doesn't make sense to me for now. I can be wrong. It doesn't make sense in terms of daily candle. Looking at this daily candle, it makes 0 sense. But go to equilibrium of previous range, go to daily open right here, right? Makes much more sense. What do you think about this, guys? Do you agree with me? Like idea, it's like top-down analysis exactly. Idea of formation of daily candle, how it works. I hope you're going to agree with me, right? Guys, stop chasing the price. Just turn on logic on formation of daily candle. That's what I'm trying to say right now. And it's not coincidence that we drop right now, right? Even if Trump speaking right now, idea of daily candle trying to tell us it's still too early to long just for now. I mean, it was too early to long right here. Agree with me? Guys, agree with me about this? See? Sometimes we just need to, okay, calm down. Let's start with high time frame candle. What can we see there? Okay, I clearly can see framework for distribution on daily never was formed. Okay. I disagree to disagree. I'm just trying to help you, help myself. Okay. So daily open right here. So right below equilibrium of previous range. The question is, so here's for our order block. We just traded into this order block. Brilliant. How to? Honestly, like this so much. ES was close to daily open as well. Right now, I'm waiting or watching if it may drop in like one more drop to daily open. And if it wants to reverse today, I don't mind to look for reversal near daily open, at least near daily open. We have equilibrium of previous range. And once again, if we got big range day or trend day before, like yesterday, next day, normally trying to trace back to equilibrium of previous range. You didn't see this coming. It's once again, it's not about like setup, just which setup, what model you're going to trade. It's about like idea of candle formation. See this daily candle right here? Clearly a framework for distribution is going to be here. I know, it's so obvious, right? Oh, we traced equilibrium of previous range? Yeah, even better then. Oh, no. We did not trace to equilibrium of previous range yet. It left room to go lower. Well. You was looking for... Do you want to analyze weekly candle with me? We can actually talk about weekly candle if you want. Do you want this, guys? Let's just top-down analysis, how it works. Maybe I will help someone right there. Do you want this? Oh, yeah, let's do this. It's actually interesting, right? It's always interesting to analyze charts, candlesticks formation. So let's highlight daily open. Oh, actually, I can just add weekly candle right here. I don't need to overcomplicate something. Okay, idea is, so what we see right now, we got weekly open right here, right? So what happened? We cannot say like we got good manipulation right there, right? So at this point, price distribute lower, right? And at this point, we want to try to look for framework for distribution somewhere right here. Sunday, yeah. This means framework for distribution is going to be somewhere right here. Okay, what level I would like to use at this point? This means if we want to pump, right, what we must have? We must have order block or fair value gap. Since leg right here is fully balanced, oops, I'm sorry, guys. Give me 1 second. I'm so sorry. Since leg right here fully balanced on our chart, I'm not going to use fair value gap, but I can use order block at this point. And order block at this point is going to be right here. We just traded into this order block. But I want to keep in mind, we have big range order block. So I'm going to use this high right here and this low right here to find 50%. So this means I'm totally fine to see price retracing down to order block to this range right here. And if it wants to reverse, to offer distribution, right? So what I want to see, price going somewhere right here. As you can see, coincidentally, like 50% right below equilibrium of previous day range and daily open. So I will look for a reaction somewhere from here, from current price level and 50% of this order block, like this. So since I anticipate to get reaction from 4-hour PD ray, I need to switch on lower time frame to find what? Market maker buy model. Who knows time frame alignment for 4-hour PD ray? What time frame alignment I can use for 4-hour PD ray? We can use 15-minute chart, or what else can I use? Who knows? 5-minute chart, exactly. So we have option right now, since we got 4-hour PD ray, we can use, some people use 15-minute chart, some people use 5-minute chart for market maker model. Just keep in mind, once we trade it into higher time frame level, normally we will get lower time frame market maker model. How often? Always. All the time. This works all the time. What this means? On 15-minute chart, we just traded into this blue line, which is 4-hour order block. Just for now, guys, do we have smart money reversal? Who can see smart money reversal? Do we have change in the state of delivery? Do we have market structure shift just for now at this specific second? Who can tell me? No, right? So we don't have this for now. On 15-minute chart to upside, we have 0 signs of smart money reversal yet. But what we can use for smart money reversal, we can use market structure shift and order block to say, right now we're about to start distributing on based on this weekly candle, where above previous week high level, right? But just for now, 0 signs of smart money reversal to upside. So right now, I'm going to stay away from long on high time frame, medium time frame, simply because we don't have smart money reversal to anticipate market maker buy model to distribute weekly candle higher, right? This part makes sense, guys? This part makes sense? So once we can, yeah. So this means once we can get order block right here, confirmed by market structure shift, I can try to long, because at this point I will anticipate to get market maker buy model on medium time frame, which is 15-minute chart, for example. And at this point, yes, I can look for potential long to previous week high level. But just for now, you can do this because we don't have any signs of smart money reversal. This is how top-down analysis will look on a weekly candle and on 4-hour chart, and for our PD 15-minute structure. So like weekly, 4-hour, 15-minute, or 5-minute. So once again, just for now, since we don't have any signs of reversal, we still don't really mind to see maybe retracement lower to the range between top of order block and mean threshold of this order block, somewhere right here. Also, we just analyzed daily candle and we see we don't have manipulation on daily. What this means? I would like to look for potential move to daily open. Where is daily open? So where we can go? Try to go at least. I cannot say like we will go, but I don't mind to see we go there. Level right here, which is daily open for now. So this is what ideally I don't really mind to see if it's not going to offer 15-minute order block. I don't really use daily chart as my high time frame level. I don't know, but I'm in love with 4-hour chart. Why? That's actually a great question. I don't know. About market structure shift and change in the state of delivery, I guess best explanation was on T-Trade's YouTube channel about this. It's not long video. You can go on his channel and check this out. So order block, just current order block, is going to be right here, but it's not order block yet. It's potential order block right there. So we will keep our eyes right now. What time is this? 11:05. Okay. We will keep our eyes right now on this order block right here. If we may go there. 50-minute. Oh, you were 50-minute. What does 50-minute means? Yeah, I mean, I don't trade fair value gaps at all. I prefer to use order blocks. I guess that's personal preference, but I guess for the last 3 years, I only use order blocks in my trading, like most of the time. I don't know why. Just once again, personal preference, I would say. So just for now, if 1 minute chart looks tricky, 15-minute chart doesn't look tricky. So right now, what we want to see first, if not going to offer right now, like move higher, big displacement to this high right here, probably it will continue dropping to daily open. Or it's going to offer displacement, offer order block. At this point, it will leave daily open, like it will leave daily open. I don't know. I don't remember when I used like fair value gaps in my trading. I mean, like I do use fair value gaps, but not that often as fair value as order blocks. I don't know. Just I'm in love with order blocks as well as in love with war chart. It's my best friends, you know. Size? What do you mean by size? Mm, here's the settings for these high time candles. So it's right now trying to displace. As you can see, we're still going to wait for formation of order block. That's pretty much it. That's weekly candle. Let me bring this back. Here's indicators. Template for indicators. Trump speaking right now? Still speaking? Once we can get 15-minute bullish order block, it will try to go to previous week high level. I'm just not sure when it's going to happen. Today? Tomorrow? I don't know. Yes, yes. Every single morning I start my analysis with daily candle. I don't usually use daily levels, but I do use daily candle to understand framework for intraday, like where we can go, what will happen there. Sometimes I'm wrong. I normally accept this. It's impossible to be right all the time. But you can use once again this free indicator, absolutely free. You can pick amount of candles you would like to see and check what you want to anticipate to get there. For example, when I see daily candle has small wick and trying to expand higher, but then offers a 1 hour order block after this expansion, most likely will retrace back to daily open. At least we may try to retrace there. Actually, this is what I explained in my new video. I'm going to post this, I hope today. But this is what I explained in my new video. On 15-minute chart, it's about to offer order block. Once again, once order block in, should go to previous week high level. We will be inside market maker buy model. Trying. Okay, guys, I hope this part makes sense. What time is this? I have a scheduled workout. Let me see what time it's going to be booked. 11:30. Let me check if car in the garage. Give me 1 second. Okay, guys, probably I'm going to be done. So I'm going, I'm going to go to the gym right now. I have class today. So idea is going to be, I'm just going to like quick recap for the possible, quick plan for the future. So if we create order block right here, I will look for continuation higher to possibly previous week high level. That's the plan. Plan was explained because we got weekly manipulation already. We anticipate to get distribution, and we got retracement down to 4-hour order block. We're looking for market maker by model medium time frame, and it's going to be 15-minute chart. For this, we need to get sign of smart money reversal. That's the plan. How it goes, we will see. I need to go. Guys, if any other questions, you can ask me on Twitter or right now. So I still have like 5 more minutes. Also, we entered the range between 2 and 2.5. Okay, guys. Bye. And what else? Be smart. Don't make stupid mistakes. Trust your analysis. You have sent me, for some reason, I cannot see. Can you send me a message again, please? I have lots of requests, but sometimes in my requests on Twitter, I see hello and that's it. When I see hello, I hate it. Don't say hello and that's it. If you want to ask something, hello, question, okay? Please. I really don't like when people say hello, hi, and that's it. Nothing more. Lots of messages like this. Like, hello, message. Okay. Okay, guys. I will see you tomorrow. No, it's okay. Just hello, then your question. It's much easier for me. Because I don't need to wait for your question because you're going to like answer my message maybe in 2 days or something like this. Okay? Send it again. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, I will see you tomorrow. Yesterday I announced I'm going to do giveaway of funded next accounts. I will do this. Funded next accounts. I'm going to do 4 accounts giveaway. I hope you're going to enjoy this. Okay, guys. Bye-bye.